Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. We're already halfway through this short week. This morning we will be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to download the TipRanks mobile app if you want to access the wisdom of thousands of Wall Street analysts and hundreds of corporate insiders on the go. Links will be in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are slightly in the green this morning as investors wait some different economic data due out later today. That includes retail sales, producer price index inflation, and later in the day, the beige book of economic conditions from the Fed. Right now, Dow futures are up 0.08%, S&P 500 futures up 0.20%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.22%. Shares of Moderna are on the rise this morning after they said their RSV vaccine trial was a success. This could add to the drama brewing between biopharmaceutical titans, with both Pfizer and GSK preparing to launch competing jabs. RSV is a common virus, but it can cause severe illness in older adults and young children, and to date there's no vaccine approved to prevent the condition. Moderna said that their late-stage trial of their vaccine candidate showed an efficacy of nearly 84% against RSV lower respiratory tract disease in older adults. The Moderna stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of over 19%. Coinbase announced that they will be halting operations in Japan, citing volatile market conditions. They said that due to market conditions, our company has made the difficult decision to halt operations in Japan and conduct a complete review of our business in the country. Any remaining crypto holdings held in Coinbase on or after February 17th will be converted to Japanese yen. This follows their announcement last week that the company would be doing another round of job cuts. Currently, the Coinbase stock is rated a hold with an average upside of 3.8%. And while Amazon moves ahead with their job cuts, Microsoft is the latest that is expected to be announcing layoffs soon. Amazon is said to be moving forward with the next round of their layoffs announced earlier this month, where they said they'd be eliminating about 18,000 jobs. It is now being reported that Microsoft is planning to announce a round of layoffs as soon as this morning. Microsoft is scheduled to release their next earnings report next week. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we're still waiting to hear from Charles Schwab, and in the after hours, we'll be hearing from Alcoa, Kinder Morgan, and Discovery Financial Services. Already in the pre-market this morning, we heard from PNC Financial. They came out with mixed results as they missed on earnings but did beat on revenue. They reported revenue of $5.76 billion, which grew over 12% year over year and came in $50 million ahead of expectations. Meanwhile, their Q4 earnings per share came in at $3.49, which was 47 cents shy of estimates. Analysts currently rate the PNC stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 12%. And in the after hours last night, we heard from United Airlines beating on both earnings and revenue estimates. They also said that they expect revenue to climb 50% in the first 3 months of 2023 from the same time last year based on higher travel demand and ticket prices. Their earnings per share of $2.46 came in 33 cents per share ahead of estimates, and revenue of $12.4 billion grew over 51% year over year and was $170 million ahead of estimates. Analysts do currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 10%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Moderna following their RSV vaccine news. Trading under the ticker MRNA, the stock is currently up 7.6%. And our biggest loser this morning is Bluebird Bio after they proposed a 20 million share offering. Trading under the ticker BLUE, their stock is currently down over 13%. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget, if you made it to the end of today's video, to hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Make sure you download that TipRanks mobile app as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.